Using decimal numbers. In this module, you will learn about conversion of decimal numbers, expansion and using of decimal numbers in currency and measurement. When the denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc., then count from right to left of the numerator of the given fraction and mark the decimal point after as many digits as the number of zeros in the denominator. For example, in 267 by 100, the denominator is 100, which have 2 zeros in it. Therefore, in the numerator 267, mark the decimal point after 2 digits from its right to left, that is 2.67. Similarly, 8 by 10 has 1 zero in the denominator, so it will be 0.8. Likewise, in fraction 67 by 1000, the decimal point is to be marked after 3 digits from the right of the numerator, 67. But 67 has only 2 digits. Therefore, write 1 zero on the left of 67 and then place the decimal point. So it will be 0.067. The decimal form of 2 ones and 5 tenths is 2.5. Similarly, the decimal form of 3 ones, 4 tenths and 2 hundredths is 3.42. Now let's see the number in decimal form given in the place value table. The first digit 3 is multiplied by 100. The next digit 5 is multiplied by 10. The next digit 2 is multiplied by 1. After this, the next multiplying factor is 2 by 10. And then it is 5 by 100. We get 352.25. The decimal point will come between ones place and tenths place in a decimal number. So the decimal form of 3 hundredths, 5 tenths, 2 ones, 2 tenths, 5 hundredths is 352.25. But what if the denominator is not 10, 100, 1000, etc.? For instance, take 9 by 25. Multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction by a suitable number so that the denominator becomes 10 or a power of 10. Here 25 is not a power of 10, but we can easily make it a power of 10. We can make it 100 by multiplying it by 4. We must also then multiply the numerator by 4, which makes the numerator 36 and denominator 100, that is, power of 10. So its decimal form becomes 0.36. Let's solve one number 4 by 5. We can make 5 into 10 by multiplying it by 2. Hence, 4 will also get multiplied by 2, which makes the numerator 8 and denominator 10. So its decimal form becomes 0.8. Let's check one example for converting a given fraction into a decimal form. For instance, the decimal fraction of the number 83 by 125 will be 0.664. Any decimal can be converted to a fraction by counting the number of decimal places and putting the decimal's digits over 1 followed by the appropriate number of zeros. For example, the decimal fraction of 0.32 is equal to 32 by 100, as 2 digits are in the decimal part. When simplified, gets 16 by 50 and further simplified gets 8 by 25. Let's check one more example. The decimal fraction of 1.5 is equal to 15 by 10. As 1 digit is in the decimal part. When simplified gets 3 by 2. Extra zero or zeros written at the right of the decimal number does not change its value. For example, 3.4 is the same as 3.40, 3.400, 3.40000, etc. We use decimals all the time when talking about money. The currency of our country is rupee. When it is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is called paisa. The decimal point separates the rupee from paise. We know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Therefore, 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100, equal to 0.01 rupee. Similarly, 85 paise is equal to rupee 85 by 100 is equal to rupee 0.85. We can express the rupees and paise together in decimal system as follows. Rupees 18 and 32 paise is equal to rupees 18.32. Rupees 4 and 9 paise is equal to rupees 4.09 and 5 paise is equal to rupees 0.05. The rupees are written before the decimal point and paise after the decimal. Can you tell me what is 205 paise? It is 2 rupees and 5 paise equal to rupees 2.05. When writing any amounts of money, always write 2 digits after the decimal point. For example, 3 rupees 50 paise is written as 3.50, not 3.5. While writing measurement, we often use decimals. The most commonly used unit of length is meter. When a length of 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is called centimeter. The other units for measuring smaller length are decimeter, millimeter, etc. And for measuring bigger length are decameter, hectometer, kilometer, etc. The relation between the different units used for measuring lengths are 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters is equal to 1 decimeter. 100 centimeters or 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. 10 meters is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameters is equal to 1 hectometer. 1000 meters or 10 hectometers is equal to 1 kilometer. In our daily life, we generally use meter and centimeter for measuring lengths. The relation between these two units of length is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters or 0.01 meter. Let's see the relation between these two units of decimal system. For instance, 350 centimeters is equal to 3.50 meters. 6 meters and 58 centimeters is equal to 6.58 meters. Let's solve one problem on length. Seema wanted to measure the length of pipe in meters. She had a 30 centimeters scale. She found that the length of the pipe is 146 centimeters. What will be its length in meters? As we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meters or 0.01 meter. Therefore, 46 centimeters is equal to 46 by 100 meters is equal to 0.46 meter. Thus, the length of the pipe is 146 centimeters, which is equal to 100 centimeters plus 46 centimeters. So, 1 meter plus 46 by 100 meters is equal to 1.46 meters. Hence, the length of the pipe in meter is 1.46 meters. Now let us learn how decimal is used in measuring weights. The most commonly used units of weight are kilogram, and gram. With weight, the decimal point can be used to separate kilogram from the grams. The relation between these two units of mass is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. For instance, let's see 18 grams is equal to how many kilogram? We know that 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. So, 18 grams is equal to 18 by 1000 kilograms. Hence, 18 grams is equal to 0.018 kilogram. Can you now show 66 kilograms 5 grams as kg using decimals? It will be 66.005 kilograms. Jim went to the market to buy fruits and vegetables. He bought 600 grams peach, 350 grams carrots, 500 grams grapes, 800 grams chili, 100 grams ginger, and 600 grams spinach. What is the total weight of the fruits and vegetables bought by Jim? Let us add the weight of all the vegetables and fruits Jim bought from the market. 600 grams plus 350 grams plus 500 grams plus 800 grams plus 100 grams plus 600 grams is equal to 2950 grams. We know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Therefore, 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms is equal to 0.001 kilogram. Thus, 2950 grams is equal to 2000 grams plus 950 grams. So, to convert into kilogram, we will show it as 2000 by 1000 kilograms plus 950 by 1000 kilograms is equal to 2 kilograms plus 0.950 kilogram is equal to 2.950 kilograms. Let us revise all that we learned in this module on using of decimal number.